Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the Neo. So the DJI Neo, what I call the perfect companion drone, okay? We use this for hiking, fishing. A couple of videos on this channel have this drone following us hiking through the woods so we can go and get some drone footage with the other drones that I own. The grandson uses this. That's another thing. My grandson will take this outside. He'll put it on follow and he'll run, he'll jog, he'll ride his bike through the woods. Nowadays, with it being harder and harder to get kids outside, this right here has been a blessing. Okay. He can't get his fingers in it. It bounces off walls. You can keep this little gimbal cover on. Okay. And it will record through the cover. Okay. On a nice bright sunny day. I've left this cover on for some great video. But it'll protect that camera too if you just want to take it out bouncing around until maybe the kids get good at it. He's to the point now where he uses it on the bicycle, and it's really good at avoiding obstacles as long as it's going forward. Backwards, obviously, in the direction track mode, there's no cameras. But I've seen it bounce off trees and bushes. I've seen it go to the ground, pick it back up, brush it off, and we've had no problem. I can't tell you how many times we've bumped this into trees and brush, and it's all tangled up and ended up on the ground or upside down. Pick it up, brush it off, it's ready to go again. Battery time is probably about 25, 30 minutes. We've never had it run out, and what we do is we'll use this for kind of following us in the woods for a period of time. And then I have one of those battery packs in my backpack that you would use for charging cell phones or something like that. And I would simply plug it in and throw it in the backpack. And by the time I pull it out to use it again, it's ready to go. This is small enough to go right in your pocket. I put it right in my jacket pocket, pull it out, press a button, it's ready to go. I really think you could love this drone. You cannot go wrong with this being. And if you're looking for something a little more, I want to be able to control it. I just don't want it to follow me. I want it I want to control the drone. It has a free app, the DJI Fly app. Okay, I think it's Bluetooth, to be honest. Okay, because the range isn't the greatest. I could be wrong. But it connects to the drone, and you can use your controller as a left, right, up, down, almost as a traditional controller to fly this drone. Next step would be buying a controller. Okay, can I buy a controller for this drone? Absolutely. Okay, this controller I have with my other drone pairs to this. Okay, buying the controller by itself, though, is almost as much, if not more, than the drone. So, if that's what you're going for, is a drone that you want to control and fly, this and then buying a controller might be more money than just buying a drone with a controller. For instance, this one's the Mini 4K. Okay, this drone, we'll go over this in another video. And this controller, $200, $230. Okay, so there. They have their purposes, they have their uses, and they're all different. So it has a command button on the top. Okay, so you would push this to activate different commands.
10 meters.
So that right there is telling me it's going to do a droney 10 meters out. So a droney is going to leave you, it's going to go 10 meters at like a 45-degree angle, and then it's going to return. Okay, filming the whole time in 4K. That is pretty cool. It has others. It has follow, direction track, where it will stand in front of you. In direction track, it doesn't have any obstacle avoidance or anything. It's literally backing up blind, but it works fairly well. We've had this on hiking trips, and it's bumped into brushes and trees, and it's literally just kind of bumped off it and continued on its way. An incredible, indestructible. We bounced it off trees, walls, branches, everything but water, and it just keeps on ticking. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of that footage, and we'll be right back. So I hope that helps. Again, I'm going to leave you with some footage that we've taken on the Neo. I love that drone. Love it, love it. I use that as much, if not more, than the other drones. You know what I mean? Because that's kind of, when they say getting there's half the fun, that Neo is part of it. All right? Be well, be safe. I'll see you next time. Thank you.